At first glance, this looks completely wrong. An apple attached to a guava branch. But there's a reason we're doing it. The real question is whether this strange setup can produce a completely new guava plant without growing it from seed. We start with a healthy branch about the thickness of a finger. A section of bark is marked out, roughly 2 centimeters wide. Then the bark is carefully removed, exposing the layer underneath. The surface is cleaned gently, leaving a fresh section of the branch ready for the experiment. Now comes the part that makes this method look so unusual. A ripe apple is cut open, and a small channel is made through the flesh. The branch is positioned inside that channel, so the apple sits directly around the prepared section. A couple of toothpicks hold the apple firmly against the branch. But the apple alone isn't enough. We still need a small growing chamber around the wounded section. For that, a clear plastic cup is cut down one side and opened, just enough to fit around the apple. Once it's positioned, the cut is sealed with tape. Now the cup becomes a little container sitting directly on the branch. Next, the chamber is filled with moist coco coir. It's packed around the branch so there are no large empty spaces. Then the entire growing medium is watered thoroughly, keeping the area consistently moist. And now comes the hardest part, waiting. The setup is covered with a dark plastic bag and left in a suitable shaded location. For days, it looks exactly the same. Nothing obvious happens on the outside. After around 50 days, it's time to check. The cover comes off first, then the cup is opened. And this is the moment we were waiting for. Instead of an empty chamber, the growing medium is packed with fresh roots. Once the new root system is strong enough, the rooted section can be separated from the mother plant. What started as a single branch now has its own roots, its own leaves, and the potential to become a completely independent guava tree. That's the interesting part of air layering. You're not starting with a seed and waiting for an entire tree to develop. You're taking an existing branch and giving it a chance to become its own plant. But the real question is, would the same idea work just as well without the apple?